Success International Language Services.
TH, this, Elizabeth, whether it's at the beginning, like thank you, or whether it's at the end, like example, Elizabeth. There are two different pronunciations of the TH, which may be a little confusing for students or difficult to hear or difficult to enunciate. Today we're going to talk about that and make it clear once and for all how to use this very important sound in English. Guys, today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the TH sound, which for native speakers is easy, but for many people is not. There are subtleties, but it's a very important sound. We're going to talk about when the TH is at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word. Example, thank you. Thank you. Look at my tongue. I'm putting my tongue between my teeth. Th, 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 th. But I'm not pushing. I'm not going thank you. No. I'm putting the tip of my tongue between the back of my teeth, and then I'm making the sound removing it from the position, not pushing it. So example, not thank you. No, I'm not pushing. I'm thank you. You see, I put my tip of my tongue there. You see, I put the tip of my tongue there, and then I made the sound by removing it. Watch. The tongue is there, but no sound is coming. Thank you. Thank you. Okay? Now, the sound of TH at the end of a word, like for example the name Elizabeth, it's a little bit more pushing because you're not beginning a word, you're ending a word, so of course your tongue is going to end there. But it's not a strong push. It's light. Elizabeth. You can hear it a little bit more, but really it's the same sound as at the beginning of thank you. Elizabeth, thank you. It's the same sound. It's just that I'm ending with Elizabeth or I'm beginning with thank you. How about if I say Elizabeth, thank you? Right? Right now I did two sounds for you to hear the difference. I ended with TH, Elizabeth. I paused and I said thank you for you to hear the difference. That there is no difference basically. But more realistic would be I would just keep going. I wouldn't differentiate between Elizabeth, thank you. I would keep going. I would say Elizabeth, thank you. I would use one TH sound for both. Elizabeth, thank you. So let's just remember the difference between the th sound and the f sound, the F. You see the difference? Frank. Frank compared to thank. The lips are completely different in the tongue. Frank, I'm not using my tongue. I'm using my lips. And thank, I'm not really using my lips. I'm using my tongue. Thank you, Frank. Okay? And believe me, we do hear the difference between the TH and the F, so you can't fool us. Practice the sound and you'll be just like a native speaker. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have lots of other free videos like this one at Success. See you there. Bye-bye.